Hey everyone, this is Dave with DaBomb Smokes. It's Monday evening and we're going to make an easy meal tonight. I want some brats on the grill and my wife, she wants some boneless chicken breasts. So I'm going to do both. So stay tuned, y'all. We got some chicken breasts and they've been sitting in this rub, Killer Hogs barbecue rub, all day long. Those are going to be good. I've also got me some brats here. I haven't had any of these in a while and I was just craving them, so I'm going to cook those too. And I'm also going to cook the asparagus on the cast iron skillet on the grill. And of course I got my buddy Evan Williams. Yum. So, we'll see you out at the grill. Y'all, I'm gonna try this hot dog. I'm sorry, it's not a hot dog. It's a brat. That is really good. Yummy. Awesome. And a piece of asparagus. Oh yeah. We'll try a piece of chicken now. Not my wife's chicken, but the other piece. Right there, y'all. It's got that Killer Hogs rub on it. Oh man, that's great stuff. So, listen y'all, I want to thank you for joining us on Monday night. I really appreciate you tuning into my channel. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And remember folks, tomorrow's not promised, so don't take today for granted. When it's gone, it's gone. Cheers y'all. That's smooth.